So here it is, we are on the last chapter 15. So in this chapter we don't have any task or any any text to learn. We have just a message of congratulations, you have completed lesson 1 of crypto zombies. You are officially one step closer to building your own games on Ethereum. Show off your first zombie to your friends. Here is a permanent link your zombie. Let's see how it's look. Just copy the URL and paste it here. It didn't show up for some reason. Let's just check it. Okay, let's leave it. No problem. Make sure your progress is saved below before you proceed to lesson number 2. You can find the source code of this lesson in the GitHub repo. Here it is, the GitHub repo. We have source code of uh, lesson number 1, and here it is, chapter number. Let's open a chapter. Here it is, that we have just completed. Lesson number 1. So you will find complete all the lesson source code here, and so that's it for the lesson number 1. So we will going to meet in next section, which is about zombie attack their victims. So we have completed building the zombie factory, 100% completed. We will going to see the zombies attack their victims in next series. Thank you very much.